What comes to mind whenever you hear the word king?
King, ruler, Jesus,
Jesus. God.
Of course, you have to think about a crown, maybe some robes, the Cleveland basketball team, LeBron James.
Burgers.
Joseph, you in a cape with a crown on his head. Cake.
What is the kingdom of God?
What is the kingdom of God? Everything.
Paradise.
Kingdom of God is His people and the works that they do.
It is God's reign over our lives, over this world, over every living creature, and over all things.
The kingdom of God is everything in all of us, right?
For my definition, it would be heaven.
The kingdom of God is everything. It's heaven, it's earth, it's everything.
When you pray, thy kingdom come, what does that mean to you?
To me, thy kingdom come means that we want earth to be a representation of what heaven looks like.
It means asking God to, wanting ourselves to be part of this kingdom that is God's reign over us, right? And so us aligning ourselves with that kingdom.
To me, that means that one day Jesus will return to earth. But in the meantime, we are the stewards of what he has given us so that we're ready when he does come.